friends, welcome back to the channel. Till now we have understood what the market is and how can you purchase the stock longer term as well as intraday trading, how can you place stop loss order, all that. But right now $1,000,000 question is which stock is best to buy and at where we can purchase the stock in order to get maximum profit. So how can I do that? In this video I will be discussing about some method with that you can do that. That process is called technical analysis or fundamental analysis. Already we have discussed in stock market we transact the share of a company. If the stock is doing good in their business, so definitely share price will go up. And if the company's sales is not going well, then definitely that company will not perform well in the stock market. So how can I do that type of analysis? Okay, there are two types of analysis. One is fundamental and another one is technical. In this channel, you will be learning all about technical analysis. So what about fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is all about to know about the company, what they do, what's the balance sheet, what is the cash flow of the stocks. So to do fundamental analysis, you have to know about the company. It's a very different thing. If you want to invest in a stock market for longer term, then you should do fundamental analysis. Later, we will discuss about this. But today, right now, I'm going to tell you what is the technical analysis is. Already I told you what is the fundamental analysis, and now I'm going to tell you what is the technical analysis. Technical analysis is a research tool or technique to identifying the trading opportunities in the market based on market participants' action. What they are doing. There are a lot of participants in the stock market. Foreign institutional investor, domestic investor, retail investor like you and me. Over there, a lot of participants. What they are doing, you can scan through technical analysis. So technical analysis is a research tool. With that you can get trading opportunities. At what price you have to exit your positions. All these things you can do by technical analysis. Let me tell you one example, right? You are on vacation and on the evening you go to the market in order to complete your dinner. Over there you see lot of vendor, lot of food stall. Just you don't know about their culture. You want to best food for your dinner. So how can you find out which the stall is good to complete your dinner? You have two options. One is just go to the every stall one by one, check their food, what's the ingredient, how they are serving, and is the stock clean and all. You have to check one by one. If you do so, then you have to check approx 100 vendors. So that will take too much time. You can do that, right? But if we talk about second options, just stand in the corner of market and observe vendors. Try to find a vendor who is attracting maximum crowd. Once you find such a vendor, you make assumption. This vendor is attracting so many customers, he must be making best food. So based on your assumption and crowd preference, you could go for your dinner to that vendor. So option 2 is like technical analysis. With technical analysis, you can scan the market, you can scan the stocks, what the people are doing, what is the current trend is going on with this stock, you can find with technical analysis. To do technical analysis, there are some tools like chart. There are a lot of chart, line chart, bar chart, candlestick chart. We will be discussing about candlestick chart later. So here you can see I have made two playlists. One is learn option. Over there I will be posting videos about option, and another playlist is technical analysis. Over there I will be posting about technical analysis from basic level to advanced level. Don't skip any videos in order to get complete knowledge about technical analysis. So that's all for this video. In this video we have learned what is fundamental analysis and what is technical analysis. And from the next video we will be learning basic of technical analysis. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.